Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect your Shopify store to Zendrop. Start by creating accounts on both platforms and prepare product listings with clear images, prices, SKU, and descriptions. Next, enable API permissions in Shopify and install the Zendrop app from the Shopify App Store. Confirm shipping settings and variant mappings so your products sync correctly and orders route to Zendrop automatically. Install the Zendrop app through the Shopify App Store and accept the permissions prompt to allow syncing. After installation, double-check which permissions you granted and restrict access if anything seems unnecessary. Add or confirm a valid payment method in Shopify so order charges and fulfillment fees process without error. Finally, log into Zendrop and verify your store appears in the app dashboard before attempting a product import. Use Zendrop's import tool to bring products into your Shopify catalog, choosing individual or bulk import based on your needs. Map variants, adjust pricing rules, and apply any custom shipping profiles so costs and delivery timelines are accurate. Run a single test product through the order flow to confirm labels, inventory behavior, and notifications work. Fix any mismatches in mapping before doing large-scale import.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.